Hey guys, what's up? How is it going? I thought I should quickly sit down and show you a few things that I bought recently. A lot of you actually requested that I do more hauls, and I remember doing this notebook video that resonated really well with you guys. A lot of you, when you meet me on meet and greets, like y'all still get me notebooks because you know how much I love buying them and how much I love collecting them. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, which you must, I am at the rate DEBASREE because someone took double E. So if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, I would highly recommend that you go follow me there, because I think like my Insta stories are almost kind of like vlogs, and you get to see like a lot of my life on Insta stories. So if you guys want to like go see what's up and where I'm shopping and stuff and all the new things that I'm trying, then I think you must definitely follow me on Instagram. And if you do, please go leave a hi in the comment in the most recent picture, and I'll go reply to you guys. So yeah, so if you guys follow me on Instagram, then you know that I like to like doodle and color quite a bit, and especially like in my planner. If you guys haven't seen this, if you follow me on Insta, then you obviously have seen this. This is my 2018 planner. It has kind of become kind of dirty. It's from Odd Giraffe, and I really like this. This is the kind of things I do. Like I just randomly like draw things if I'm procrastinating, and like in the doodle section I kind of like doodle quite a bit. I love this one. I think this is my favorite set of doodling that I've done. It's just random sketches that I like to do. So I went to the store called Himalaya. It's in town. It's next to VT station, very close to Crawford Market. I went there with Ankita, and I found out that she draws really well and she sketches so well. I'd seen like a canvas in her house of a lotus that she'd painted, and then she showed me like several of her other works, and I was like blown away. And she wanted to go pick up a few things, and I kind of like just tagged along with her, and I picked up quite a lot of things while I was there, because that shop just made me so overwhelmed. Like as soon as I entered, it felt like like heaven. It was so colorful. They had so many different kind of paints and markers and pens and notebooks, and I literally live for cute stationery. So I decided to pick up a couple of things which I have always wanted, but I never knew where I could get them here in Bombay. So I was so happy that she took me there. So I think I'm gonna start with like the bigger things that I can see. The first thing actually is one of the last things that I picked up. This is a set of 2 idea pads, that's what they're called, and this is exactly what I was looking for. So this is from this brand called Art Trex. It's a pack of 2, and it has 1 ruled idea pad and 1 unruled idea pad, and this is an A4 size notepad. So this one has like ruled sheets for you to like jot down lists, and I thought this was the perfect size and the perfect thing to keep on my work desk to just like scribble on things. And this is just what I've been wanting, because my planner is great to like plan out my dates and my schedule and stuff, but then to actually randomly brain dump, I think this is perfect. And yeah, you can just get done and then just tear up the sheets or like just fold them over, and this is amazing. And it comes with a plain one, again the same thing, and I thought this would be great to kind of like draw out your ideas or like storyboard my videos if I have to like explain it to someone or like explain myself. This is like really nice to create like flow charts and stuff. So just a pad full of A4 size plain paper, so useful. This is exactly what I was looking for, and this is priced at rupees 349. So 2 of them for 350. Then I actually got carried away with Ankita, and she got like the obviously not the beginners one like the one I got. She got something that is a little bit more professional, and I picked up like the Camel Artist's Watercolor. This comes with 18 shades. Obviously I opted for something which is like more beginner friendly, and this is priced at rupees 465. and comes with all these colors that I can play with. I've never really done watercolor. Like I did it when I was younger, but I've not like done it. So I just wanted to watch some YouTube videos and create something of my own. I really like coloring. I'm not really good at like sketching or painting or creating shapes or anything like that, but if I like doodle, then I can just like color it. So I'm good with those. So I think this would come in handy for then. And I am always watching doodle with me YouTube videos. I'm always watching like paint with me. I find them like so relaxing, and I'm always watching those plan with me videos where they plan on their planner. So I just find that like really relaxing. I also got in like the most beginner friendly brush set, the cheapest one I could find. This was priced at rupees 300, and this is I think their own brand, the Himalaya Professional Painting Brushes. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 brushes, a mix of both round and flat brushes. And then I also picked up a watercoloring pad for me to practice. This is priced at rupees 240. And it's like it comes with like 20 sheets, and they're like 7.5 into 11 inches, like a nice rectangular. So I could just practice on these, I guess. I picked this up because I picked up the color, and I also picked up a color mixing plate. How much was this one priced at? This was super affordable as well. This was priced at rupees 75. I picked up the medium-sized rectangular one for me to mix. It comes with like 3 big rectangles and the medium-sized ones and the small-sized one. Then I also picked up like 2 fabric glitter. I don't know why, just because they looked really pretty. I picked up this one in gold. This is from Camel. This is their 3D glitter in gold. How much are these priced at? These are priced at just 25 rupees each. And I got this one in copper, but this is more like a purple with copper glitter in it. I have a weakness for glitter. I see anything glittery, I feel like picking up. I wanted to pick up the whole box of the fabric glitter because it had all the color, and then I was like, no, be reasonable. When was the last time you DIY'd anything? When I was younger, I used to DIY a lot. I learned a lot of stitching. I cross-stitched those mats, those table mats you get. Yeah, I remember making like this goat, and I also learned like chain stitch, running stitch. My mom sews really well, so I learned all this from her. I used to like DIY glass paint. Like I used to have that glass painting sort of jelly like colors, and you can paint on glass, and I remember putting like a bulb behind it and making like an aquarium with glass. So I used to do that a lot. I wonder why I stopped doing all of this. Maybe I started playing with makeup, so I stopped playing with paints as much. So going into the store like really ignited all those like older memories when I used to like keep making stuff when I used to come home for my vacation. Then I actually picked up a notebook just to doodle, because I didn't want to dirty my planner and like keep it a little bit more professional, so that whenever I'm looking for something, I'm not distracted. This is again from the same brand as the Idea pad, called Artrex. This was priced at $2.99, and I love that the notebook is like layered separately. So basically this is a 3-sectioned stepper notebook. So it has like 3 different steps and sections, and it has square ruled, which is what I was looking for, because I really like the squared ones to kind of draw shapes in. And it has an unruled, so like a plain one in the middle and a ruled one at the end. This is a B5 sized notebook. I cannot stop myself from buying notebooks. I know I should stop, and that's one of the most exciting thing I actually bought. So another one of those videos that I keep watching on YouTube are calligraphy, like how to learn calligraphy and like simple basics of calligraphy. And I picked up the cheapest calligraphy set they had. Like they had some really amazing one, and I just picked it up randomly, and it was for like $2.5 grand. And I was like, no, I'm not spending so much on a calligraphy set, which I might not end up using, or I might just use like seldomly. So I wanted something cheaper. So I really like how they were like so helpful with like helping me with getting like a cheaper version of everything, just so that like something that is like very beginner friendly. This is from this brand called Advantage, and this is just like a gift set with all different tips for calligraphy, and this was, I think, priced at rupees 245, so pretty cheap, and did not make me feel bad for getting this. And I really want to practice because I used to just watch them. I didn't have what they used, so I used to just like watch. Now I can actually do what they're doing. And I also picked up a few calligraphy like pens. This one is a red calligraphy pen which has like waterproof ink, but it's like a flat edged pen, so like a straight up rectangular flat edge, so you can create like nice shape and lettering with this. Next, I got a golden calligraphy pen, the ones that people use to write on invites and other things. It has a similar edge like the red calligraphy pen, similar to the highlighter pens. And lastly, I picked up a black calligraphy pen. This is angled. How nice would this be to draw a winged eyeliner? Very similar to the Nika Winged It eyeliner pen. I'm so excited to use this. I've always wanted a pen like this, and this is, I don't know which brand or anything this is, just randomly picked up. They had this huge stacks of pens and watercolor pens and everything, which I also picked up. So this is the last thing that I have in the bag. It's a paper pouch filled with all the pens and watercolor pens I picked up. So these are basically doodling pens, and they come with 3 different sizes, and from like thin to thick, and I thought that would be so nice to do time pass with. I'm a very restless person. I can't sit still. I always have to do something. So even if when I'm thinking, I keep like, if you like, I wish I could show you like my school notebooks. Like there were like notes throughout, and the corners used to always be like filled with doodles and random musings that I used to write. So I'm so excited to try this. Yeah, comes with a felt tip as well. And lastly, I have 4 watercolor pens. So I picked up like a blue. This is from this brand called Koi Color Brush Pen. These are like the felt tip ones. Let me just draw on my hand only, and that's the color. And basically you can like kind of smudge it and create like gradients because it's not waterproof. And yeah, so I picked up like 3 different colors in this. I got a red, and I also got a black, and then I picked up the same thing, but this is from Faber-Castell, and this is their Pit Artist pen in black. So this one is like again a watercolor pen, but it's waterproof, so it will not smudge like the way this color smudged. So that's all that I picked up. These were all priced at rupees 90 each. And then I went to Crawford Market because it was so nearby, to pick up like Ziploc bags for me to store my makeup. Like I can separate all my lipstick and toners and everything. I picked them up in like 2 different sizes. And I also got like storage boxes like this. I picked up the one with 24 divisions to store my earrings. They were priced at like I think 120 each, and I picked up like 3 of these boxes, and then I picked up 3 more of those boxes, but they have like bigger divisions, not so tiny like this one. So I bought the 6 division ones, the 3 division ones, and the 24 ones, like all three of each ones, so that I could store all my makeup and everything. Yeah, so, and that was all I could take off Crawford Market because it's so crowded. I wanted to go to Beauty Palace, but it was so crowded, and we were so tired because we were out the whole day, and we wanted to get home quickly as well because there was so much work that we needed to do. Both of us like wanted to rush back home, so we couldn't stay as long as we wanted. So I thought I should just like quickly sit down and do like an old school haul with you guys because I'm so excited to kind of like try them. And before I dismantled and touched it, I thought I should sit down and share it with you guys. I didn't even feel like applying any makeup. I just wanted to like just sit and chat. Though it's so hot that I don't feel like wearing any makeup, and I just applied like this charcoal peel off mask. So my skin was feeling very clean, and I didn't want to apply any makeup after that. So yeah, that's everything I picked up. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Let me know if you guys like draw and stuff, or you guys like to paint. Please tag me in your pictures on Instagram. Yeah, I would love to go stalk you guys and stalk your paintings and get some inspiration. You can also leave down links of videos that you guys like to watch, any watercolor videos or something that I could learn from. I just find like coloring super therapeutic. It's so calming and relaxing for me. And yeah, so just trying to get on like a side hobby while like just to keep my brain engaged, and instead of like being on my phone all the time, because that's where I work as well. So it can kind of get stressful. You guys don't get to see the stressful side of my work. It is pretty stressful. I'm always like, there's so many things happening at the same time, and I'm constantly thinking of work. So it's kind of nice to disengage from all of the work. And I am someone who likes to stay home, and I only go out to eat. So I don't really like go out or hang out and stuff. So I am usually home. So instead of spending more time on like Netflix or something, I thought of engaging myself with more creative work. And I'm glad I went and I picked up, and this will also help me like inculcate like new skills and probably give me better handwriting in the process. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. All your comments and love, they mean so much to me. You have no idea. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any other ideas or suggestions on how I could improve my channels or what other videos I could do, please leave them in the comments down below. I'm always reading them. I'm also very active on the community section of my channel, where I'm always asking something, leaving pictures and creating polls and stuff, so you guys can go check that out. And that's it. I'll see you super soon. Bye.